In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a self-service portal in Freshdesk. This is a pivotal task if you're aiming to enhance your customer support by providing users with a straightforward, easy to navigate channel for assistance. Let's jump right in. First things first, you need to head over to freshdesk.com and log into your account. Freshdesk is a versatile platform for customer engagement which can be tremendously beneficial for optimizing your business's support system. Once you're logged in, attention will need to shift to the left sidebar where you'll find a variety of icons. Look for the admin gear icon. This is your gateway to configuring various Freshdesk settings. Go ahead and click on it. With the admin panel open, navigate to the section labeled Channels. Under this category, you'll find an option titled Portals. Click on this to advance to the next stage where you can manage self-service portals. If this is your first time setting up a portal, there will be an option to create a new one, but if you already have an existing portal, you can choose to edit it. When you're ready to make those all-important customizations, click on Customize Portal. This is where the real creativity begins. The theme editor allows you to tailor your portal to reflect your brand accurately. Begin by uploading your company logo, so the portal emanates brand consistency. Next, change the portal name to something that resonates with your users and clearly defines its purpose. Don't forget to choose a color scheme that is harmonious with your brand identity. Colors can significantly impact user engagement and perception. Moving forward, you'll want to turn your attention to the Manage Sections tab. This area of the setup is extremely crucial because it's where you can configure the core of your portal, the ticket system, knowledge base, and forum sections. Each of these plays a vital role in ensuring that your self-service portal answers as many user queries as possible without the need for direct contact with your support team. Next up, click on the Appearance tab. This feature is immensely useful as it allows you to select a theme for your portal and offers you a live preview. This gives you the chance to see how the final product will look from the user's perspective. Once comfortable with your design and sure everything aligns with your expectations, you're almost ready to go live. Finally, when you are satisfied with all the tweaks and adjustments you've made, don't forget to hit the save button. This ensures that all your hard work is stored and your self-service portal is ready for visitors. And that wraps up our guide on setting up a self-service portal in Freshdesk. By following these steps, you'll create a valuable resource for your users that streamlines support and boosts satisfaction. Thanks for watching and happy Freshdesk customizing.